Hello everybody, welcome to Actinate Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 4, that is work, energy and power. Okay, that's all. Now the question is, two identical point masses P and Q suspended from two separate massless springs of spring constants K1 and K2 respectively oscillate vertically. If their maximum speeds are the same, the ratio AQ by AP. What is this AQ and AP, sir? Of amplitude AQ of mass and Q to the amplitude AP of mass P. Okay. So AQ is the amplitude of mass Q and AP is the amplitude of mass P. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You are given four options. Root of K2 by K1, square root of K1 by K2, square K2 by K1 and K1 by K2. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the last year, that is 2025. How to solve the problem, sir? For a system of mass spring under simple harmonic motion, shortly called as SHM, Vmax is equal to A omega. What is Vmax? The maximum velocity in the simple harmonic motion. What is A? Amplitude. What is omega? Angular frequency, or you can say angular velocity also. So Vmax, maximum velocity, omega, angular frequency. The formula for angular frequency is square root of K by M, where K is the spring constant and M is the mass. Okay. So A is the amplitude, of course. Now we have to find these values for separate cases. Vmax is equal to A of root of K by M. So the masses are identical. It means what? Mass of P is equal to mass of Q. Let it be M. Okay. So also the speeds are the same. So we have V max for the point P, for the mass P is equal to V max for the mass Q. So V max is equal to VQ. So for V max is equal to VQ means VP max is equal to VQ max. That means what? AP into square root of K1 is equal to AQ into square root of K2. Because M is the same for both P and Q. Vmax is also the same for both P and Q. That is why you are writing here. AP into square root of K1 is equal to AQ into square root of K2. So this, you bring AP to this side, AQ by AP. And ultimately you will bring root K2 to that side, LHS, is not? So AQ by AP is equal to K1 divided by K2. Square root of K1 divided by K2. So the ratio AQ by AP is equal to square root of K1 divided by K2. Option 2 is the right answer for this question. So far, we have discussed 15 questions in our channel in this chapter, work, energy and power. Okay, that's all. In our next video, we will see questions. We will see questions from some other chapter, probably from rotational motion. Okay, that's all. So till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.